Hello, YouTube family. Well, you have 54 days to prepare. I'm trying to stay positive. Hopefully you are too. If you're about to scroll off this video, freaking stop and listen to what I'm saying. If you don't understand what's happening, I'll make it easy for you. Go to the link below, hit my website, look for the yellow tab that says countdown, scroll to the bottom and there's an actual video where you can watch the actual advisor to the United Nations Security Council explain the whole thing to you. All right, so let's get into it. What do we got here? Personal security. Get it, learn how to use it. Time is running out, and if not, you now have a viable skill for survival. Food. Food prices are now closer to 50% higher than they were last year. Isn't that magical? U.S. Ministries in the United States are now telling their parishioners to stock up on food. I wonder why. Baby formula. Good news. The factory is open again. Bad news is that factory still makes all the baby formula for 40% of U.S. consumption. Well, isn't that special? I smell a monopoly. Meat. Nothing to report. They've gone silent on the whole meat issue. Wheat. Wheat is now $11 a bushel. Last February, it was $7 a bushel. Due the percentage increase. I wonder what's going to happen as we get closer to the end of the 70 days of this crisis. I would keep an eye on the shelves. And crops. Crops are sporadic with the exception of the ones in Kansas and North Dakota where the crops have been diminished by 25%. Yeah, those are wheat crops. Isn't that cool? Fuel. Oh my God. Up another 5%. They're saying, oh, we could expect $5 a gallon fuel by the end of June. Are you crazy? We're only 9 cents away. We're going to be at probably $6 a gallon by the end of June. What can you do? 1, stay calm. 2, store water. Store food. Get security. You know what that means. We talked about that a second ago. If you're asking how to store water, well, there's a lot of ways. I talk about these things on my live stream all the time, which I'm going to be doing here very shortly on TikTok. I may even fire up the old YouTube just to see what happens, but I can't guarantee what my internet's going to do. Okay. Until the next time, guys. Stay safe. Have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.